Welcome to the Financial Processes Training. In this training, Troop Cookie managers will gain an understanding of the basic cookie program financial processes and resources. In this training, we will first cover how the cookie crumbles flyer, then go over banking and ACH withdrawals, talk about how to utilize cookie receipts, and what to do if one of your caregivers has a past due cookie account. Cookie lingo you will hear throughout this training video. ACH, or Automated Clearinghouse, the automatic withdrawal from the Troop bank account. Proceeds, monies provided by Girl Scouts of Central Indiana to troops participating in the Girl Scout Cookie Program at a rate of $1 per package. Use the How the Cookie Crumbles flyer to show Girl Scouts, caregivers, and customers exactly how the cookie crumbles. Let's go over what each section of the flyer represents. On the top left-hand corner, you will see that 9% of the council cookie proceeds are spent on the Girl Scout leadership experience. This is money spent on council programs that are not camp related. Below that, you will see that 16% is spent on camp programming and properties. This is the cost associated with offsetting the cost of summer camp for our Girl Scouts and updating and maintaining our council properties. On the bottom left, you will see that 18% was spent on troop proceeds and reward costs. This is the amount of money that troops keep in troop proceeds and the cost for all cookie rewards throughout the program. On the top right-hand corner, you will see that 29% is spent on member and customer support. This encompasses all materials utilized for recruitment and cookie season in both the membership and product program teams, as well as the cost of staff to support our volunteers and our girls through the membership, product program, and customer care teams. And last but not least, on the bottom right-hand corner, 28% is spent on cookie program and vendor costs. This encompasses the cost of the cookies to Little Brownie bakers, as well as the cost of inventory management, such as the cost to move cookies and or store cookies. You may be asking yourself, why is the Cookie Crumbles flyer important? Oftentimes, customers and families want to know that the money they are spending on Girl Scout cookies will stay local and how it will be spent. This graphic is a great way to illustrate where the money from their purchase of Girl Scout cookies benefits the troop and our council. Where can you find copies of the Cookie Crumbles flyer? First, you should have received one in your troop cookie mailing, and if you would like to print more, you can find that on the Cookie Central page under Troop Resources. Troops must provide their bank account information in order to participate in the Girl Scout Cookie program. Please note, new troops will not need to supply troop bank account information in order to begin participating in the cookie program. Please refer to your Cookie Rookie Manual for more information and the deadline for new troops. Every time that cookies or money is exchanged, a receipt should be signed. When using the receipt, be sure to fill out the entire receipt. On the receipt, you will find a place to put a receipt number, the 5-digit troop number, the date, the total number of cases and packages by variety, total amount owed on the cookies on the receipt, the amount paid, the amount still owed, and the girl name, as well as a place for both signatures for you and for the person receiving the cookies or the money. Receipts have 3 functions. 1, they ensure that you are able to go back and properly credit each Girl Scout and eBuddy for the total amount of cookies sold and paid for. 2, they help you track whether or not a caregiver has yet to pay in full. And 3, they are a paper trail in case a caregiver does not pay in full. Receipts are required if you have to turn in a past due cookie account on a caregiver. Past due cookie accounts are any cookie account not paid at the end of the program. This could be from a caregiver to a troop or the troop to the council. It is important if you have a caregiver who is past due on their cookie bill that you fill out the past due cookie account form to notify the council of the issue and to ensure that your troop will not be financially responsible to pay their bill. And lastly, we want to remind you to bank often. It is not safe to have cash stored in your home. It's best practice to bank the day of or shortly thereafter you've collected money at booths or from the caregivers in your troop. Thank you for completing the financial processes training. For further questions, please contact customer care at 317-924-6800 or customer care at girlscoutsindiana.org.